Hello students, this is Randir sir here. We are going to learn a very first lesson in our textbooks which name is An Astrologer's Tale. In the previous video, you have learned about the lesson theme and information about writer who is well known in Indian point of view. R.K. Narayanan, a famous writer who has written several literature in English. In the very first paragraph, we have learned how the astrologer and its equipment, the position of the place, all things we have learned in the last video. Today we have to learn the further part of this lesson. See the page number 3. The very first line on the page number 3 is surging crowd was always moving up and down this narrow road from morning till night. It gives information about the place. The place was very busy every time because of the sailors who sat there to sell their goods. A variety of trades and occupation was represented all along its way. The place was very important one because of all kinds of varieties, occupational sailors and traders. All things were moving by its way. Medicines sellers, sellers of stolen hardware and junk, magician and above all सर्व प्रकारच्या व्यावसायिक आणि उद्योगधंद्यांची देवाणघेवाण या सर्व परिसरातून मोठ्या प्रमाणात होत होते. यामध्ये विशेषतः औषध विक्रेते, कापड विक्रेते आणि जादूगाराचे खेळ करणारे अशा प्रकारचे लोक त्या ठिकाणी येऊन बसत असायचे. हू क्रिएटेड इनफ डीन ऑल डे टू अट्रॅक्ट द होल टाउन. नेक्स्ट टू हिम in vociferousness came a vendor of fried groundnuts. Very close to this astrologer, a person who came to sell their groundnuts in vociferousness. It means being loud and noisy. म्हणजेच तो शेंगा विकणारा विक्रेता मोठ्याने ओरडत आवाज देत त्याची विक्री करत असायचा. Who gave his ware a fancy name each day, calling it Bombay ice cream one day, and on the next Delhi almond, and on the third Raja's delicacy, and so on and so forth. तो दिवसांदिवस वेगवेगळे नावं त्याच्या शेंगांसाठी वापरत असायचा. In it one day he calling it Bombay ice cream, and very next day he were using it for with Delhi almond, and further next on third Raja's delicacy. Such kind of the fancy name or the attractive name he were using to sell groundnuts to the customer. A considerable portion of this crowd dealt bear before the astrologers too. Dale means wasted time just hanging around. त्या ठिकाणी लोकांचा घोळका जमा होत असायचा. The astrologer transcended his business by the light of flare which crack and smoke up above the groundnut heap nearby. Half the enchantment of the place was due to the fact that it did not have the benefit of municipal lighting. या ज्योतिषाकडे कोणत्याही प्रकारची लाईटची व्यवस्था नव्हती, परंतु शेजारी असलेल्या लाईटचा उजेड त्याच्यापर्यंत येऊन पोहोचायचा आणि ती जी उजेडाची जी किरणं येत असायची त्या किरणांमुळे जणू काय ती परिसर इन्चॅन्टमेंट म्हणजेच काय की मॅजिकल किंवा जादूचा परिसर आहे असं भासत असायचं. One or two had hissing gas lights. Some had neck flares stuck on poles. some were lit up by old cycle lamps. प्रत्येकजण आपापल्या परीने त्या ठिकाणी लाईटची व्यवस्था करत असायचा. म्युन्सिपल लाईटची त्या ठिकाणी शक्यतो गरज पडत नसे. Flares stuck on poles. Some were lit up by old cycle lamps, and one or two, like the astrologer, managed without lights of their own. It was a bewildering crisscross of light rays and moving shadows. Bewildering means confusing, buffeting, विचलित करणारे. Like in circus, this suited the astrologer very well. Such kind of the light rays suited to this profession, for the simple reason when he began life and he knew no more of what was going to happen to others than he knew what was going to happen himself next minute. दुसऱ्याच्या जीवनातलं भविष्य पुढे काय होणार आहे हे सांगायची त्याला कोणत्याही प्रकारची आयडिया नव्हती. मुळातच त्याला स्वतःच्या जीवनामध्ये पुढे काय होईल याचीही काही आयडिया नव्हती. परंतु त्याने त्याच्या प्रोफेशनमध्ये सक्रियता ठेवली. ही वॉज ॲज मच ए स्ट्रेंजर टू द स्टार्स ॲज वेर हिज इनोसंट कस्टमर्स. द रायटर इज टेलिंग अबाउट हाऊ ही वॉज unknown with the fact that comes in astrology. It means the planetary stars. Yet he said things which please and astonish everyone. That was more a matter of study, practice, and shrewd guesswork. This happened just because of the more practice, more study about the persons. It was as much as honest man's labor as any other, and he deserved the wage he carried home at the end of the day. And with the help of this practice, now he is able to tell the future of the person, and he earn money by this way. The wages means money, or in Marathi vetan. He had left his village without any previous thought or plan. If he had continued there, he would have carried on the work of his forefathers, namely tilling the land, living, marrying, and ripening in his cornfield and ancestral home. Now, writer is giving the past details of the astrologers, how he was, what the problems he faced it's before. He had left his village without any previous thoughts or plan. Generally, we make plan for our next action, but here astrologer never thought anything about his future. He just left village and moved towards the city. If he had continued there, he would have carried on the work of his forefathers, namely tilling the lands, living, marrying, and ripening in the cornfield and ancestral home. But that was not to be. He had to leave home without telling anyone, and he could not rest till he left it behind a couple of 100 miles. To a villager, it is a great deal, as if an ocean flowed between. He left his village and he wanted to settle here. He wanted to settle in the city. He had to leave home without telling anyone. कोणालाही न सांगता तो घर सोडून त्या ठिकाणी दुसरीकडे स्थलांतरित होण्याच्या प्रयत्नातून तो बाहेर पडलेला आहे आणि जवळपास 100 मैल अंतरापेक्षाही जास्त अंतरापर्यंत जाऊपर्यंत त्याला निश्चिंतपणा येणार नव्हता. He had a working analysis of mankind troubles. In this line, writer is telling about how he was superb, how he was perfect to tell the future of a person. He had a working analysis of mankind's trouble. Mankind's troubles means मानवी जीवनाच्या असलेल्या समस्यांबद्दल त्याला बरीच काही कल्पना आलेली होती. मॅरेज, मनी अँड ऑदर टँगल्स ऑफ ह्युमन टाईज. वेगवेगळ्या समस्यांवरती उपाय किंवा वेगवेगळ्या समस्या सोडवण्यासाठी, भविष्य वर्तवण्यासाठी त्याला या गोष्टींची बरेच काही जाण किंवा माहिती झालेली होती. लॉंग प्रॅक्टिस हॅड शार्पन हीज परफेक्शन. प्रदीर्घ अनुभवाने त्याला ह्या सर्व गोष्टी साध्य झालेल्या होत्या. विदिन 5 minutes ही अंडरस्टूड व्हॉट वॉज रॉंग. ही चार्ज three pies per question, never open his mouth till the author had spoken for at least 10 minutes. त्याचा एक नियम असा होता की तो जवळपास एखादा व्यक्ती 10 मिनिट त्याच्याबद्दल काही सांगत नाही तोपर्यंत त्याचा तो तोंड उघडत नसायचा आणि त्या प्रत्येक क्वेश्चनसाठी तो 3 पै घेत असायचा. एक प्रकारचं जुनं नाणं किंवा एक प्रकारच्या जुन्या चलन वापरण्यात येत असायचं. ओल्डेस्ट करन्सी यूज इन इंडिया अँड पाकिस्तान. which provided him enough stuff for a dozen answer and advices. When he told the person before him, gazing at his palm, in many way you are not getting the fullest result for your efforts, 9 of 10 were disposed to agree with him. बऱ्याच लोकांना तो त्याच्या जीवनाबद्दल सांगत असायचा. तुमचे प्रयत्नांना यश मिळत नाही अशा प्रकारच्या भविष्यात तो सांगत असायचा, परंतु बरेच लोक या गोष्टीकडे इग्नोर करत असायचे किंवा त्या गोष्टींना अमान्य करत असायचे. He questions, is there any woman in your family? Maybe even a distant relative who is not well disposed towards you. Then after he asks a question to the person about their relatives who are not well disposed towards you, that will be the cause of your trouble, or he gave an analysis of character. Most of your trouble are due to your nature. Then he come to final answer or the solution that this trouble happened just because of your negligence or your nature. How can you be otherwise with Saturn where he is? You have an impetuous nature and rough exterior. This endured him to their hearts immediately, for even the mildest of us loves to think that he has a forbidding exterior. In this way, we have learned the next part of the same lesson. On the next video, we will learn the further parts of the same lesson. Thank you.